for this recipe we need lime, that is sodium hydroxide. This is olive oil. Then you need distilled water. These are my solid oils. There is cocoa butter, shea butter, and coconut oil. Then you will need a mold, just like this one or any other mold that you have. Then you will need a mixer. You can use a stick blender or hand mixer. For this recipe, we are going to use the rice paste. For this, you need to blend the rice. So before you start, you need to put on your protective gears. You need to put on mask and gloves. So I had already measured my ingredients. So we are going to start by pouring our sodium hydroxide into the water, never the other way around. Don't pour water into sodium hydroxide because it can explode. So these are dangerous stuff. That's why you need protective gears. So, and keep kids away when you're making soap. So these are my solid oils. I have already melted them. So to melt, you need to have a double boiler, or you can also use a microwave. So we're going to mix them with the olive oil and we put them together, and we mix them together. Now you need to put your lye solution into the oils and then start mixing. So I had already done that for mine. Once you have put your lye solution into the oils, then mix it for a while, and then at that point add your rice paste. Then continue mixing until it is thick enough to be poured into the mold. You know, for mine it has become thick, so I think mine is ready to be poured into the mold. Now I'm going to put the soap butter into the mold and wait for 48 hours before I can remove it. And I like using this kind of mold because it's easier. You just need to remove it, you don't need to cut it. And since I'm a beginner, it works out very well for me. You need to cover your soap. So how I do it, I just put 2 chopsticks into the middle and then a flat surface on top and cover it with a towel, or you can use a blanket. So this is after like 48 hours. As you can see, our soap has dried up. It has turned out really well. And I think as a beginner, I have done very well. Right, guys? What do you think? Yeah, it has turned out very beautiful. It has turned out very well. So I'm going to unmold it and see. Yeah, it's very, very nice. It's beautiful, guys. And you see how easy it is to remove from this kind of mold. You don't need to cut it. So what do you think, guys? How did I do? Leave a comment below. Let me know. Please subscribe and see you in the next video.